Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hey guys, it's the Bombay chef Varun and welcome to Rajshri Food. Well, today on the pious occasion of Pongal, let's make Pongal. Well, it's the name of the festival as well as the dish. It's also called Ven Pongal. Well, for the uninitiated, there are two types of Pongals. One is Ven Pongal and the other one is Sakarai Pongal. Sakarai, of course, is a sweet one, but what we are making is a savory one, which is Ven Pongal. First things first, we light the flame, and on high flame, we're supposed to toast split moong dal along with rice. Well, in all probability, you can prefer to use Sona Masuri as the variety of the rice. Well, we begin with high flame. Once the pan heats up, we lower the flame and continue toasting this till they're just kind of beginning to turn golden brown in color. And this is the step which actually makes the pongal nuttier and creamier. So do not miss doing this. Once this becomes nice, fragrant and aromatic, we're going to transfer all of this in a bowl. And to this, I'm going to add in water and keep this for soaking for a minimum of 20 minutes. Like I said earlier, the rice initially along with the lentil becomes nice and aromatic, and because of these steps, it helps in releasing the starch naturally and beautifully. And the next step is to keep a pressure cooker or a pressure pan ready, because next is moving in here. It's been 20 minutes, our lentils and rice have soaked perfectly well. Let's turn the flame on and transfer this into the cooker. To this, let's add in water. Well, what's most important in this recipe is following the proportion absolutely correctly. If you notice very clearly, we've taken 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of lentil, and here I'm adding in 4 cups of water. The next thing that goes in this is finely chopped ginger. Well, my friends tell me that in case you're making this for a puja, then ginger is something that needs to be avoided. But of course, if you're making it regularly, you can use it. To this, I'm also adding in chopped chilies, salt as required, and just a touch of turmeric, which can be completely avoided. Give this a good mix. Cover the lid and allow this to cook under 4 whistles. It's been 4 whistles. Allow this to cool down completely and then we'll open this. The pressure has subsided. Let's have a quick check. Well, you'll get this kind of a consistency only and only when your ratio or proportion of water to lentil and rice is just perfect. Let's mix all of this together, and that will ensure that the flavor, of course, of the ginger and chili kind of disperses equally. Let's move this aside and let's bring back the first pan. To this, I'm adding in ghee. And before the ghee kind of begins to heat, I'm going to add in whole cashew nuts, because we need to fry these nice and golden brown in color. Begin this on low heat and then fry this till they're nice, nutty, crisp and crunchy at the same time. Let's lower the flame and transfer the fried cashew nuts in a bowl. Let's move this back on the flame and let's begin adding our tempering ingredients. To begin with, lots of cumin seeds, followed with whole black peppercorns. Again, lots of these, and trust me, the bite is just wonderful. Asafoetida or hing, and curry leaves, again, lots of them. Just move this around, and into this, I'm going to add in the rice and lentil mix. Also, the fried cashew nuts. I'm just reserving a few for the final garnish. Of course, the flame, and this gets mixed beautifully. With this, our Ven Pongal is done and ready. And trust me, this just by itself is fantastic. This is our ode to the wonderful harvest across the globe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and make this Pongal for your family and friends. Enjoy.